Welcome to the third part of the Get to Know Your Sports series. Today we test how well you know cricket. Get to know cricket. 10 questions, 3 potential answers, and 10 seconds on the clock. Are you ready? Let's go. How many players are on a cricket team? (11) What is the term used when the ball hits the boundary without touching the ground? (6 runs). Who is the person who decides the rules in a cricket match? Umpire. What is it called when a batsman is dismissed by hitting the ball and it is caught by a fielder? Caught. How many stumps are there in a cricket wicket? (3) Which country has won the most Cricket World Cups? Australia. What is the maximum number of overs allowed in a standard one-day international (ODI) match? (50) What is the name of the player who delivers the ball to the batsman? Bowler. What protective gear do cricketers wear on their heads? Helmet. How many runs are awarded if the ball is hit over the boundary but touches the ground first? For runs. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned to Kidda Quiz for more videos.